Hello students, welcome to new session of science. We are doing our fifth lesson, separation of substances. Students, in the last video, I explained the method of hand picking. Today we are going to learn some more methods of separation of solid mixtures. Solid mixture means both the components or all the components should be in solid stage. Okay. Children, do you know how the grains and the pulses are separated from the stalk? Are they separated by hand picking like mangoes or guavas? No. Here we cannot use the hand picking methods. Hand picking is used where the components are slightly larger in size and their amount is less. They should be of less in quantity. Grains and pulses are smaller in size and they are much larger in amount. So they cannot be separated by hand picking. Okay. Here, after the harvesting of rice and wheat and also pulses, the stalks are tied in bundles. Then they are dried in sunlight before the grains are separated from them. Then they are beaten on any hard surface to separate the grains. The stalks containing the grains are beaten on any hard surface to separate the grains. Here you can see in the figure. The stalks are beaten on the hard surface like rocks or any other hard surface. The grains will be separated in the process. This method of separation is called threshing. See, the process that is used to separate grains from the stalk is called threshing. In this process, the stalks are beaten to free the seeds or grains. Sometimes bullocks are also used for this purpose. But nowadays, machines called threshers, THRESHER, threshers are also used to separate the grains from the stalk. Okay, that means threshing is used to separate the grains from the stalk of wheat, rice, pulses, etc. And this is a method mainly used in agriculture. Now we will see the next method, that is winnowing. Winnowing. This method is used where the components are almost similar in size, but their weight will be different. One of the component will be lighter in weight and one will be heavier. Light means having less weight and heavier component means the component having more weight. And the lighter components will be carried away by the wind and the heavier components will fall near the place of winnowing. See, this method of separating components of mixer where one of the component is lighter and the other one is heavier with the help of air. Winnowing can be done only with the help of air. It is used to separate the heavier and lighter components of mixer by the wind or blowing air. See, this method is commonly used by farmers to separate lighter husk particles from the heavier seeds of grain. Husk means the waste things, impurities only. The husk particles are carried away by the wind. The seeds of grain, they are separated and form a heap near the platform for winnowing. The separated husk is used for many purposes such as fodder for cattle. So winnowing method is used to separate the components which are lighter and heavier, right? And the help of wind is used for this purpose. Okay, now we will see the sieving. Children, you might have seen the mothers cleaning wheat grains before grinding it to make a flour. Before making flour, the grains will be cleaning by sieving. She will be using a sieve for this purpose. And also, after grinding the flour also, before making chapatis and all, she will be sieving again to remove the impurities like husk or bran. or any other larger impurities. This time, she will not be using the same sieve. Here, the sieve having very small holes are used. And sieving method is also used in construction sites for removing the stones and pebbles from the sand. So sieving is also a method to separate the components of mixers, and different sieves of different holes are used for this purpose. In construction sites, sieves having large holes are using, and there the pebbles and stones are separated from the sand which is used for constructing buildings and all. And for cleaning the wheat floor, the sieve having very small holes are using, and a fine powder of flour will be left behind, and the impurities will remain on the sieve itself. Children, the remaining part of the lesson will be explained in the next video. Okay.